Hi, my name is Megan Fielder, the author and creator behind Algebra Elevated, and I love making activities and resources that make other teachers' lives easier. So today I'm here to talk about my favorite partner activity, which is some partner dice math activities. So for this activity, it is using my solving equations partner dice, and you'll need a set of dice or a class set of dice for your students. And how it works, so there are all these different cards with math problems on them, and what students are going to do is they're going to take their dice, and I usually pair off students for this, so then I give each student one dice to make it kind of fun. But since it's just me, you roll the dice, and then I got a 1 and a 4. So then I'm going to take that 1 and the 4, and I'm going to find that card that has the 1 and the 4 dice roll on it. And then I'm going to pretend I'm student A and B, and I'm going to solve both of these equations real quick. So normally each student would just have to solve one of the questions on the card. And that's kind of the beauty of the partner activity of it all. But I just solved partner A's question, and I got x equals negative 13 for this one. And I'm going to solve partner B, and I'm going to hopefully get the same answer. And I solve for partner B, and I get x equals negative 13. So what happens is no matter what set of partner dice questions you have, the final answers are always going to be the same. So this activity is highly engaging. Students love rolling the dice. It seems really silly, but that little extra activity helps make doing the math a little more fun. Then once they've rolled the dice, found their question, they are so engaged. They're both answering separate questions, coming together, hoping they got the same answer. And if they didn't, they are working together. There's that error analysis, there's that conversations about math happening, and it is just such a fun activity. What you also get with the purchase of one of these activities from me is you get a couple different ways to have your students show their work and record their answer. So I just wrote on the card. Now, normally I would give these to, maybe there's like 4 sets out throughout the class. I'll print them on different colors so they don't get all mixed up. But not every student will have a full set. So that is one option. You could give every pair a full set of questions. That might be a little difficult because they both will need to solve this question, and there might not be the space to do it next to each other. So then there are 2 different recording sheets. So the first one is just numbered. This one's great if you want to say every pair must answer 8 question cards. Then there's another one that is numbered by the dice rolls. So like 1 and 1 dice roll will go here, and then like 3 and 3 would go here. That one's great if you want to kind of see which questions they got to and make sure they actually got the right answer, or that their work supports the answer they were supposed to get. And then there's actually a third sheet, and this one is just an answer sheet that leaves them a place to put that final answer that they both, again, should have gotten together. This one is great if you want to kind of see a quick glance of how far they've gotten. Then there's also an answer key that looks very similar to this for you, so that you know what answers you're looking for when you're walking around the room. So that is my favorite partner activities at the moment. So rolling dice, immediate feedback. They know if they got the same answer, then they're on the right track. They're talking to one another. They're working together. So many fun things. If you don't have dice in your classroom, when you buy or download one of these activities, there's some few tips and tricks, but you could use physical dice if you have them. You could use a digital dice roller. There's a ton of simulations out there for rolling dice. And then there's even some printable dice that you can kind of fold and put together. If you're going that route, I would maybe do that the day before or in a different class, because it will take a little bit of time. There's 42 questions per activity because there's 21 different ways you could roll the dice. Now, if you roll a 2 and a 3 and then later roll a 3 and a 2, it's going to end up at the same card. So the order of the dice rolls don't really matter, but each individual dice combination has a different set of questions for each partners. So I hope you love this activity as much as I have, and let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you're looking forward to trying it. I'm sure your students will love it too. Also in the description, there is a link to a free partner dice activity. So if you're looking to try it, but you're not sure yet, take a look at that, download the free resource, and then there are a ton more topics available if you like it. So I hope you enjoyed learning about this partner dice activity and have fun elevating your math classrooms.